peeled my potatoes earlier. So they are not having any water content. If they would be having the water could be coming out through these holes here. So they do not have water. They are now ready to be cooked. They are ready to be cooked. They are ready to be fried. I have said the method of cooking these chips. It is deep frying. Kiswahili tunasema ni kukaanga, na tunakaanga nini? Vibanzi. I've done with chopping. I can clean my hands because inaacha weupe pale. Do not forget that I said they give us starch or carbohydrates. I know in CBC you are supposed to link whatever you are learning to other learning areas or learning experiences. The so-called starch or carbohydrates in Kiswahili it is known as wanga. Kwa hivyo vibanzi vinatupa viinilishe vinaitwa wanga. Vibanzi vinatupa viinilishe vinavyoitwa wanga, ama chipsi zinatupa nini? Zinatupa viinilishe vinaitwa wanga. That is the starch. We call it wanga. If I take the tomatoes, this is a fruit. It is also at the same time a vegetable. So this one is a fruit vegetable. So if I take this fruit vegetable, you know the vegetables give us vitamins. So in Kiswahili tunasema vinatupa vitamini. Starch nimesema ni wanga, this one vinatupa vitamini. We talked about nutrients in grade 3, the nutrients we get from food. The nutrients we get in Kiswahili they should be called viinilishe. Na tuna aina 3 za viinilishe. Tuna viinilishe vya wanga, tuna viinilishe vya vitamini, na tuna viinilishe vya protini. Proteins imetolewa tu ikaitwa protein. And I know you know that proteins we get them from animal products and cereals which are in form of legumes. Animal products and legumes, aina za maharagwe, green grams, beans, peas, all those ones they give us proteins, zinatupa protein.
Tunatumia kitunguu na nyanya.
Now, just wait. When we would be warming or heating our oil, we shall have enough time to prepare. Maybe I don't know what you want to serve your chips with. Mine I will serve with kachubari. Yours, maybe you have sausage there. You can prepare the sausage. Ikiendelea kuiva hapa, sausage nazo zinaendelea kuwa tayari. Maybe mommy had prepared chicken for you. Sijui ametengeneza nini. Or even beef soup, beef stew. Whatever mommy has prepared. At the end of the day, you should have a balanced lunch. We are heading towards lunch. You should have a balanced lunch. I have told you I'll be having my Irish potatoes here, which will be starch. I am having a fruit here, a fruit vegetable, which will be a vitamin. So if I need to balance, I need to either take a cup of milk, or maybe add sausage, or maybe a few pieces of meat. That is what I love. So I will tell you when you are to do that. Now my chips are ready, my potatoes are ready, well chopped. They are ready to be cooked. What I need to do now it is to heat my oil.
Kuna mwenye anaulizia munya ni nini? Ni munya ama ni
munyu? The message you got was in Kiswahili. Munyu is another name of salt. Chumvi. Kumbuka tunaita chumvi. Na mtaani watu wanasema chumvi, si chumvi. Inastahili kuwa chumvi. Kwa hivyo chumvi kisawe chake munyu. Wale wanaulizia munyu ni nini? Ni chumvi. Nimesema uwe na chumvi ili wakati unaandaa vibanzi vyako uweze kufanya nini? Uweze kuongezea chumvi iwapo unataka. Kuna wengine ambao wana mazoea ya unapoosha vile viazi vyako unaviosha kwa maji yaliyo na chumvi. Some people put salt in the water before they wash as they are washing their potatoes. So after putting salt there, it absorbs through a process known as osmosis. Is it osmosis? Yes, osmosis. Then they absorb the salt, so after cooking, there is no need of adding salt. Maybe we said also in grade 3, you serve food according to the health status. You also serve food according to the likes and preferences of somebody. Kama mtu apendi chumvi nyingi, so you can also have it like that, then mtu ajiongezee chumvi ile anataka. I'm trying, because I have already washed my pan with water, I'm trying to remove it. In Kiswahili tunasema watu wasiosikizana ni kama maji na mafuta. If I add oil here while the pan is already having water, I might end up causing fire. Water and mafuta hazisikizani. Those people do not rhyme, they do not agree to each other. Tunasema wao ni kama maji na mafuta. Sababu gani? Hawasikilizani. This is my oil. This is my oil. Don't think I'm adding water. This is my oil. I could not carry the whole can here. I just had a little bit here. So I have my oil here. I'll wait until my pan is completely dry. It doesn't have any water droplets. Then I put my oil inside the pan. Then I give it time for it to boil. I give it time for it to boil. If you put your potatoes before the oil boils, then you might end up boiling your chips, not frying them. Just put enough according to the pan you have. Those are using sufuria. Put enough. Just put enough. The mistake I'll make, if I make a mistake of filling the pan with a lot of oil, then when I put the tomatoes there, remember still the potatoes have a little content of water. Zitachemka and it might end up spilling over. This is also fire. After spilling over, you know what might happen. Of course, that oil will catch fire. The whole place will be having fire. So nimeweka kidogo tu, weka kiwango cha wastani. Do not put a lot of it. That one will be enough. Then you give it time to heat. You give it time to heat until it boils. May I see what they are doing, Tita? Please have your cameras on. Have your cameras on. And direct it to where you are working. Direct your camera to where you are working so that I can see the progress. Your parents are there. They can assist you. Just put enough of the oil and also put on the fire. They can assist you. Put enough of the oil. Okay, I can see we are now at the same point now. We wait until that oil boils. We wait until that oil boils. And you be careful. These who are dancing at the kitchen, that is not a place where to dance now. Mafuta yakiwa moto, they can burn somebody. So we have to be very careful there. You have to be very careful there. If your pan is small, just make sure that your oil is not a lot. It is shallow. If your pan is small, make sure that your teacher have a laptop. Good. If you have a laptop, it's okay. What is pepper in Kiswahili? Pilipili hoho. Pepper in Kiswahili, it is pilipili hoho. I believe you are asking about the one which is is it bitter? Ile kali. Yes, inaitwa pilipili hoho. The hoho we buy at the market and we call them hoho, they are not hoho. They are supposed to be pilipili boga. So pepper in Kiswahili, it is pilipili hoho. The other one, which is green, others are orange in color. The ones which are big, zile tunasema tumeambiwa unipe hoho moja. They are not hoho, those ones. Those ones are pilipili boga. The oil is hot enough, then you can have what? You can take a little bit of the Irish potatoes. Take a little bit of the Irish potatoes. You can see my pan is small, so I don't want to have a lot. I'll cook in bits because my pan is small. I do not want to put a lot here. I'll cook in bits. Remember that after putting the Irish potatoes, the oil should be covering. The oil should be covering the Irish potatoes. Nyingine zisiachwe nje. I'm trying to check whether this oil now is ready. I'm trying to check whether the oil is ready. It is almost ready but not ready. Haijainuka haraka. It's almost ready but not ready. If your mommy confirms that your oil is ready, it's already boiling, then she can help you. She can help you put a little bit of this Irish potatoes into your oil. If the oil is ready, you just see it boiling. So don't be in a hurry. Usiweke mafuta ikiwa baridi, because the chips themselves are cold. They are going to lower the temperature first. They are going to lower the temperature first before then they get heated well. So usiweke yakiwa baridi. Itapoza tena itulie sana huko chini before it comes up having already been deep fried. So do not be in a hurry. Do not be in a hurry. Just make sure that your oil is hot enough. Make sure that your oil is hot enough for you to be able to add the others. And I can see mine is getting hot enough because these two are already almost turning brown. These two are almost turning brown. So I can remove them, then I put now my chips afresh. I put my chips afresh. Have a little bit. Na usitupe ile kumwaga hivi. You can end up causing accident there. Na ninataka kuona ukiweka wewe binafsi, wewe mwenyewe. So your parent to hold the camera for you. I like to see what you are doing. I like to see what you are doing. You, not your mommy. Kidogo, kidogo. Don't throw them. Mafuta yasiruke juu. Mafuta yasiruke juu ya kufikia. Mafuta yasiruke juu ya kufikia kidogo kidogo. Slowly. Usitupe. Do not throw them. You see, now my oil was ready. After you put like that, make sure that the potatoes, you spread them. You spread them in the oil. You spread them like that. Then you let them boil. I told you we shall have a lot of time. Kabla ziive. Now I can start making my kachumbari. Before they are ready, I can now start making my kachumbari. Bado ukiangalia what's happening there. I have my tomatoes here, which I also need to chop them. I have my tomatoes, which also I need to chop them. Unaweza kata kwa kibao. You can use the chopping board or you can use your hand. Mimi sasa sitaki uwe mzungu sana. Do what your heart feels like doing. I would like you to do it. Usijitie uzungu sana, ujiforce. Wengine hata hawajui kutumia chopping board and you are there forcing yourself to use a chopping board. You are there forcing yourself to use a chopping board. Just cut the way it will be comfortable for you. The essence is you knowing how to do it. The essence of this lesson is you knowing how to do it. Then you can modify your styles with time as you get to learn how to do it better. So I expect you to be chopping. Maybe mimi natengeneza kachumbari. Wewe kama unapika sausage,
samaki,
and mwingine anapika samaki, now you can be directed by mommy to cook that samaki. Be directed by your parent how to cook that samaki. I've seen most of you have told me we are taking the chips with fish. Good. That one will be balancing our diet. Now your mommy can assist you to cook the fish. Your mommy can assist you to cook the fish. Because those who are using kachumbari like me, we can chop our tomatoes. Others can cook their sausage. Others can also cook their fish. But make sure you keep on checking. Unaona bado, it is still white. So not yet. Oh, they say usikoroge sana. Ukikoroga sana, zitakatika katika, hazitatoka zikiwa straight vile uliziweka. So just give them time. When they start turning brownish, they'll be ready. When they start turning brownish, they'll be ready to be removed from the jiko and maybe served. I'm trying to prepare my tomatoes, and I can see my tomatoes were affected by the pests. You learned that one in science, that we have the crop pests which can destroy our crops. So I'm trying to remove the parts which were destroyed by the pests. Then after removing and ensuring that my tomato is okay for consumption or for use, then I chop it again.
Otachi saying my chips are ready.
Your chips are ready. Okay, your chips are ready. Now you can prepare. What are you going to eat the chips with? You can prepare. I like also to see the photos of the good work you are doing. Teacher is lying to me that all of you are doing great. Prove me wrong. But I am not lied. I'm being told the truth that you people, you are doing great there. Prove me wrong that mimi sijadanganywa, you are doing great there.
Nadia, I have my chips with the mchuzi wa kuku. Mchuzi wa pesa.
You are making me to salivate. You are having chicken there. Okay. If you know you are having chicken there and fish, those are my best. I'll come around. So serve enough. Ubakishe tu sani moja yangu. Oh, the same, do not serve enough, wengine wakose kutosha. Yes, I'm as well checking how my chips are progressing. I'm not just cooking without checking what I'm doing. That is what mommy does at the kitchen. Unapata amepika, ameandaa vitu vingine, you wonder how did mommy manage? Yet mommy has only 2 hands. As this one is cooking, you can do something else. As this one is cooking, you can do something else. But do not concentrate much on the other things, you forget what is on the jiko. Not concentrate on other things, you forget what is on the jiko. I've told you, when you are dealing with fire, you have to be very careful, or else you might end up causing a disaster. You can see they are almost cooked, but I have said you wait until some start turning brownish. That is when they will be ready. Ukitoa sahi utapata nyingine zinaonja tu chips boilo. Sorry. If you remove, like right now, mine are not ready. But if your mommy confirms that yours are ready, I'm allowing only mommy to inspect there, but not to cook. This should be your work. When she's not around or daddy is not around, you should be able to cook for yourself. Unakatakata tu viazi viwili vitatu. Then you prepare a meal for yourself and maybe for one sibling or two. Not all the time waiting for daddy to take us to the nearby hotel. We go and have our lunch, we go and have our dinner. Nowadays, the government is ever talking about economy, uchumi ni mbaya. Why is the economy bad? To some people, yes, because they are lacking employment.
Joseph,
to Bravo. Other people, yes, because, yes.
Joseph, bravo, I can't see you.
Yes, make sure that you are in camera. The teacher should be able to see you. So that maybe in case anything happens, we can be able even to contact your parents. And demand for
Joseph,
help.
are you alone?
Demand for help where necessary. Make sure that your camera is on. Even those who are not cooking, make sure that your camera is on. Follow up the lesson. We'll do it later. It feels fun. It is fun, by the way, to make a meal for your family. It is fun even serving a meal you have personally prepared. Not mami ameprepare kila saa anashinda kukuambia sasa ni wakati wa kula. You can tell them now it is time to eat, having prepared it. Not all the time, mami.
Kuna hizo mbinu urudisha zime.
Inaanza kutana. Yes, I'm about to remove my first lot of the Irish potatoes. They are now ready. They are now ready. As you can see, they are almost turning brownish. They are not pure white like the way I showed you earlier. They are already.
Ayana is asking, will you come to teach us in the class when we open the school?
Of course I will. Of course I will. I showed you there's no other class I love like this one. When we are opening school on Monday, we shall find each other there. We shall find each other there. And now because my chips are ready, it is my time now to remove it. It is my time now to remove it. I believe you have a spoon like this one, whereby you can scoop. I do not want also to serve oily chips. I do not want also to serve oily chips. So I'll make sure that my chips drain the oil. I'll make sure that my chips drain the oil. Ikuwa na mafuta nyingi pia itakuwa you not feel comfortable while eating them.
Adek, it is okay. You will send later.
What is it telling you?
Adek is saying, teacher, I have joined late. We are from getting my baby sister ears pierced. And I am not ready. I will make and tell my mom to send pictures.
No problem. If you have joined late, please tell your mommy to guide you. But don't fail to do the activity. It is part of the life skills. Part of the life skills. In case you find that your parents are not around, they traveled, no necessary arrangements made, because life, dunia, what tunasema dunia ni duara. Life has so many issues. Maybe your dad or mommy goes for an emergency, anaitwa kazi urgently. Utabaki pale, you don't have anything to eat. Auntie must be there. It's not a must auntie to be there. Right now we know how to wash our uniforms. Not a must auntie to be there, we can wash. And I was talking about the Kenyan's economy because most of times we waste money. We end up wasting money. I know, so to some of you may tell me it's not wasting. But if I was to serve these little chips in an hotel, this one would be worthy more than 200, because this one nawekea watu kidogo kidogo, the way I normally see them serving in hotels. This one will be worthy more than 200. Yet I have used chips which are worthy less than 50 bob. So you can see the profit those people are making. To me, it will be hasara, itakuwa loss. To them, it will be a profit because they use very little to cook the chips, and then they serve you at a very high price.